guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Why is there so many bubbles over here? Let me pop all of them. Well, they're gonna stay. Stop blowing bubbles. Okay, look it. It's just so easy, and I'd like to pop. Okay, so I have a lot of fidgets. Today, we're going to be counting all of them. So, that's going to take long, but it's not. I don't really know. Okay, so let's get on with the video. And if you're new, my name's Madison, and this is Blue Diamond Squad. Okay, so I have a lot of puppets, and we're going to count them. Let's count the bracelets first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 puppets. Okay, so let me just throw that out here. Okay, so we're at 10. Now let's count all of my pop tubes. I got a lot of pop tubes. I got 10 from a cousin. Okay, let's start counting. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 fidgets! Wait, let's recount. I don't know if I got it correctly. So let's just redo it. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yep, 19. Let's just get rid of that. 19. And 20 for this big squishy ball. Let's count my marble mesh. 21, 22, 23, 24. I just counted this twice because I had this and I didn't count it. So I have 2 blues. Wait, let me redo that. 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, done. That's not all my fidgets. That's not all my fidgets. Yeah, that's not all my fidgets. Let me just... Oh my gosh, there's so many bubbles. Why are there so many bubbles? Okay, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. That's all in that box. So we're at 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. Okay, I got 43. Now 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, and okay, this is gonna be 9, 48, 49, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 58, 59, 70, 60. Okay, we have 60. Okay, I think that's all for this video, and that's all my fidgets, so I have 60 fidgets! Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell, and click the notify bell that says notified for all my videos I post in the future. Bye!